Hi guys, welcome to Escape the Seekers. I'm Tejal Patel, and this is the place to be if you're looking to live consciously, spread love, and create peace and happiness in your life. And today's vlog is on an idea that you're home. You're always home. And I know that sounds kind of strange, but I want to kind of explain how this kind of thought process came into my mind. So recently I was traveling to San Diego and Vancouver. And when we were flying from San Diego to Vancouver on the flight, the air hostess made an announcement and said, for the next 2.5 hours, this is your home. So welcome home and make yourself feel comfortable. I know that sounds so simple, but something really struck with me. And when she said, this is your home, you are home, I was like, yes. At any given moment, space and time. It's not when we're comfortable in our own space where we live, where our belongings are, where our comfortable shower and our bed is. Home is not found in a location, a thing, an attribute, a person. It's found within us. The sense of relaxation, the sense of inner peace that we get is not found from anything outside of us. It's something that we need to cultivate within us. So home is actually wherever we are. And wherever we go, we can meet home because it's not a location, it's an energy space. It's a feeling of being secure, safe, protected, comfortable. And we can cultivate these things within us at any given moment, any given time, regardless of what our external circumstances look like. And what I started to notice was that, a lot of people love to go on vacation or love the idea of being somewhere exotic and outside their comfort zone. But the minute that they're traveling somewhere or not in their space of comfortability, they start getting homesick. And it's that attachment to that security, that space that is yours. And breaking through that, realizing that you're at home every single moment. You're in that space of peace and love and security at every single moment. So bring home wherever you go. And I think this is a beautiful practice that we can do to release attachment, release insecurity, and always feel grounded that we're protected in any given moment. So I hope this serves you well, and remember, you are home, exactly where you are, exactly at this time, and it's perfect. Set down.